Stridor in calm child. Stridor in calm child means when the child has noisy breathing, inspiratory breathing, while making sounds coming from the your larynx means in the throat. It takes quite a distress in the family, and reason of it is the narrowing of the your tracheal rings and the cartilages. So these children has this little bit so what I call it, the little bit quite a loud noise, inspiratory noise. While inspiratory, what they take in this respiration, it's called inspiration, and it goes on. And when the child is kept straight, it appears to be less. When the child is on this left or right side, or in the supine position, it appears to be more. And on physical examination, the respiratory rate is not increased. There is no lung finding, no throat finding, so it excludes pneumonia, and thereby these children should be counseled. These parents should be counseled and should be wait until it resolves by few months. To injection pneumonia, how to diagnose the fast breathing, cough, throat infection, maybe with lung finding, usually fast breathing. So there do not remain with your laryngomalacia or stridor in the neonate. That do these children, this newborn, they do not need injection. So to do consult with a neonatologist or pediatrician to diagnose it and treat it. Most of the time, you do not need to investigate much. At times, when you are not certain about the usual course or unusual something suspected, cystic your infective lesions of the larynx, you do some little bit of investigations, maybe laryngoscopy and see what's possible cases. But most of the time, you do not need any investigation. You wait and counsel the parents. These are the signs like that I go for. You look for. I will go for investigating. Otherwise, you wait calm, safely and see whether he hasn't developed pneumonia because of absence of fast breathing and cough fever. So you don't need to do any investigation, and you will expect a full recovery in the course of time, maybe few months.